Yes.
Mr. Nicholas Porter.
Speaking.
Managing Director of the Southern Line.
Juggernaut.
How are things aboard your ship?
There's been an explosion.
Oh, hardly that, Mr. Porter. Not what I call a real explosion. I've seen real explosions, Mr. Porter. They destroy people.
It's very important that you understand one thing. The ship has encountered very bad weather. Gales, very heavy seas. There is no way that the passengers can be taken off.
Blue Boy Trace. 15 Grosvenor Street. Registered House of Worth. Fashion House.
3 blocks.
Blue Force respond.
Too bloody near.
How do we defuse the bombs?
Here are your instructions. At the lost and found counter of Waterloo Station, you will ask for 2 matched plaid suitcases bearing the initials DJS. In one of the cases, you will find a brown wind cheater. In its pocket, a key to locker number 93 at the West London Air Terminal. These suitcases, and only these, are to be packed with £20 notes. The sum will be exactly £500,000. The serial numbers on the notes will be random. Someone, not me of course, will collect the cases from the air terminal luggage locker. If any attempt is made to follow him, you will not hear from me again, and your ship will sink.
I said, too bloody near.
Crafty son. 2 lines, one feeding in, other feeding out.